Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I have a very fun Easter cutout. I want to show you how I paint. This is a paint by line, which means that all the lines you see here are etched into the cutout, so you don't have to worry about freehanding anything. It's a total game changer when it comes to painting these cutouts. I'm going in, of course, with my Dixie Belle chalk paint. It is my very favorite paint because the coverage is so good. I'm using the color Putty right now for the background, and all I'm doing now is with my heat gun, I'm going in and drying the area that my bunnies are on, just so that when I paint those, the color doesn't smear. But I didn't take the time to dry the entire thing because I'm not really worried about those spots yet. So I'm using the color Lucky Lavender now for my Easter bunny hair. And if you guys have been watching, you know I love this color. I have been using it so much, especially in spring. It's a really pretty lavender color. I'm going in now with soft pink. And for all of these, I'm probably using like a round brush, probably one of the medium-sized ones. You could also go in with like a number 12 flat from the brush pack we sell on the website. Because these bunnies are decently big, that would work fine. And I did use my only brush that I use that's not in that brush pack we sell is a 1.5 inch folk art brush that I buy at Walmart. It comes in a pack of 2, and that's what I use to paint the background on this sign. It's such a large brush that it really helps you cover a lot of space in a little time. And then I'm using the color Daisy for my last bunny. And you guys, you can purchase these cutouts, the brushes I use, and the Dixie Belle paint all on buildacross.com. Now I'm just going in and drying my bunnies a little bit, focusing kind of on the edges of them because I want to outline them. Whenever I'm using my heat gun, I kind of just focus on the area that I need to dry in order to do my next step. I don't necessarily go in and dry like the entire canvas, just where I need it to be dry. So now I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, which I've told you before, it's very important that your product is dry before you use these. You will ruin your marker. So this heat gun has been a total game changer when it comes to that. And all I'm doing is just following the lines that are etched in the cutout, so that makes this so easy. And this Sharpie marker just makes your lines so clean. It's one reason I love to use it. But of course, if you wanted to, you could go in with like a number 4 or smaller round brush and some black paint. I'd probably recommend you use like the Apple Barrel acrylic. Anytime I'm outlining and I need a more watered down paint, I kind of gravitate towards the Apple Barrel paints. And now I'm going in with my sponge brush in the color chocolate, and I'm just distressing the edges and going over each of my lines where this is kind of like a board and batten look. I want to kind of highlight that. And now I'm highlighting each of my little bunnies with a little bit of the color cotton, and then that completes my project. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.